Hey, it's Eddie over here at Indian Head Chrysler. So it's always exciting when factory orders roll in. We're going to take a look at a all new 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland right now. So here we are. This is the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee all new redesigned Overland. So this was factory ordered for a very lucky customer, and they're coming to pick it up today. Absolutely stunning interior. Dual pane panoramic sunroof. I'll take a look at the driver's side here. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful unit. Built exactly how she wanted and is now here. Uconnect screen, all of the safety features, all of the tech package. Heads-up display, digital rear view mirror, all of those things are included in this vehicle. Absolutely stunning. If you want to order yours, give us a shout. 306-695-2254.